Okay, here we are at Lahu village, and we bought a bunch of oranges for the kids, and these poor Lahu kids, they hardly ever get any fruit, so this will be good. And there's the teacher, and David gave them some pencils, and we're going to hand out the oranges to the kids, and then we can walk around the, we're going to walk around the village. Okay, the kids have the oranges, and today's a free day for them, because today's the day they clean the village, so. And the teacher's giving out the oranges, and today the village looks really clean. They did a good job cleaning it. We're going to take a walk around it here in a minute. Okay, almost everybody's out in the field, so if you come to a village like this in the daytime, except on a Sunday and there's not many people, you're at a real village, not a touristy village. And I have the school teacher here giving the tour to people here. But David, he speaks Thai. He's a teacher in Chiang Mai, so. Okay, we're going to go inside the traditional Lahu village here. It's pretty dark. I don't know if my video camera will work in there, but we'll try. This is their bedroom back here.
The sleeping room.
Now you know why we bring mosquito nets if people want to sleep in a village. They all use mosquito nets, so. Okay.
Who's happy in the bedroom here?
Good. You see over here is where they. This is where they keep their dishes and things in their plate. This is a typical Lahu home. Kids working around out there. เหรอจำได้เหรอเขาบอกเขาเคยอยู่แก่งตุ้มเขาบอกใช่ผมช่วยคนแก่งตุ้มมาก่อนเขาบอกว่าเมื่อก่อนเคยเห็นนะเห็นไหมเขาจำได้เขาบอกผมยังจำได้เลย Okay, this is kind of a, it's a root. They call it an entire potato, but it's not. It's a, and what they do is they grind it up into flour to feed the pigs. Okay, now if you look over this hill over here, that hill is Burma, okay? And if you look over here, top of this hill, that's the Thai army up there. Okay? Looking into Burma to make sure there's nothing going on, crossing the border. This lady's in here doing some weaving, a Lahu style weaving, which I've never seen before. That's pretty cool. Came in here because this is the local little store, and I wanted to make a purchase here. And I stopped her from weaving. I bought a little pack of crackers to help them out. Okay, back outside. Booyah. Speaking Lahu, they can't believe it. Okay, back up here. Okay, this is the Lahu house where if you want to come spend a night in the village, we sleep here, okay? Now there's no fire in here, so you don't have to worry about being hot. We'll put mats out here for you. And, okay, it's good. And the cooking area is in here. That's the kitchen and everything. Okay. And the bathroom is in the back here. It's around the corner. I'll show it to you later, okay? This is where the guy owns the house. This is where he'll sleep and take care of us. And this is our fire. Okay? So you see it's kind of cool here. It's hot in Chiang Mai, but on the mountains it's quite nice. And then the bathroom is back here. Look at the view. Wow. That's cool. And then the bathroom is back here. A little primitive, but that's part of staying in Hill Tribe Village. Back here it'll work. Okay. Okay, so if you want to stay, or you can use the bathroom at the school if you'd rather do that. แล้วก็ทุกคนไปห้องน้ำโรงเรียนได้ใช่ไหม?
ได้ครับได้
Okay, yeah, we got a rice pounder over here, and Mr. Vink over here decided he'd help out. So he's getting after it.
I'm getting some practice.
Yeah, good. I can't go on that side, too much bull manure. Hello, chickens. Getting tired?
No.
Wow.
It's tiring, it's more warm.
Yeah, I bet. Well, I knew it out. Getting tired.
Continue?
Set it on.
Yeah, like just enough for 2 days for the family.
Continue?
One more.
Eat, bye.
I am.
More?
I eat.
She's really doesn't want to tell you to do anymore because, you know,
It's good?
she says finished. Yeah, so that's
It's finished?
ได้ยัง โอเค
Is it okay? Okay.
oh, good. All right, so that was a shocker. So what do you look? Not like Mike.
How many people are in?
We brought a bunch of these Frisbees up here, and they're the rubber kind, so nobody gets hurt. You see the kids playing with all the Frisbees. I guess we brought maybe, I don't know, a lot. So they're all having a good time with the Frisbees. They really don't know how to use them. Kind of just throwing them around at random, but they're having fun. So we're ready to go in and to our bungalows, and there's our van right there, and
Oh, there's heavy weather coming up.
about time to leave. Yep. They know how to throw them, but they don't know how to catch them.
They don't anticipate the arc yet.
Yeah. Okay.
You can also catch them like this.
All right, good.